Can I? Derek, bring the box.
Get that one. Get that one. Get that one right next to you. You guys are bad. Wait, did Derek qualify?
No, he didn't. Are you kidding
me?
My train is here.
Waxing at a time.
Eli, let's get on.
It's dragging me. Sorry, this is the brain waxing mobile. Only brain waxians can get it. What are you doing? That's my train. That's my way out of here. Get the fuck out of here, Angel. Gavin.
Yes.
Gavin. Oh my god. Come on, Victorio. Just
Die.
I'm trying. Just speed back up.
Why is that so delayed?
I'm using every driving trick in the fucking book. I'm using every driving trick in the book I know, bruh. Go, 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 go! I'm trying to swerve! Go! Flip me!
You're dying here and now.
Flip me! Flip me! Flip me! Go! Go!
You're dying here and now.
Oh shit! Flip me! Flip me!
Oh my god, why did you hit me, Angel?
Literally back in business.
Yeah, you did. You
Go,
literally
go,
fucking
go,
hit me.
go, go, go. Just keep driving straight. Keep driving
You're
straight.
dying here and now.
Destroy him. Hey, little beetle bud, get off of him. Look at all this people. Oh my god, I'm sorry, Victoria.
You're dying.
Oh my god.
Yes.
Yes, let's go.
Oh my god. Don't ever say I'm useless. Don't ever say I'm useless.
Hits on my fucking ass. Bro, I flew off the edge like 5 times in a row. Can I just please stop?
Guys, I'm rich.
Oh my god. That was the most
my
insane
God.
play I've ever done. That was insane.
I have
Slow down, slow down, slow down. Let's phase into it. Oh my gosh, you're so useless at everything you do.
the light at the end of the tunnel.
My first place.
I'll take first, thank you very much.
Oh my god.
It saved you. It means the world to me, sweetheart. Oh wait, they're on ram cars, aren't they?
Ah, Gavin.
Wait, who's behind me?
Hi, Eli.
Oh!
Push him off. Get him out of here.
Later.
You guys are alive!
It was worth it. It was worth it. It was worth it. I think I do die.
I freaking was bad when I started pushing them off, bro.
Bro, I got 2 fat big black cars behind me.
Eli! Eli!
Yeah, keep trying to push me.
Get out of here!
Hey guys. Oh my god. Isaac went into orbit.
Oh, Derek, you're so annoying.
Gavin, get them for me.
No, you think you're saving that little PP bike? I'm right on you.
I am, bro. None of you guys are gonna be able to hit me. Angel, you're the me. Look at it.
I want to try that. I want to try that.
Do it. Do it.
Why, Derek? Why is he taking some other girl?
Wait, doesn't he have a girlfriend?
Look at us!
Houston, get over here.
Used to get over here.
I'm gonna get it 99 and then walk through here.
No, you're not welcome inside.
No entry allowed.
Yeah, no black people allowed besides me.
Houston, you're such a gen freak.
I said
I
I was gonna
know.
get it 99 and then go.
Imagine he has no ed and grabs all of
Bro,
us.
why is he breathing so loud?
That's literally what I said a second ago.
He's like, wow.
Yeah, fuck this. I'm doing the generator.
Yeah, I want the points. No.
He has no head. Oh my god!
Let's go. Let's have our alien fist-to-fist combat.
I brought my special
you,
BB gun. Hey, buddy. I
Dude,
brought
ever
my
told you guys
gravity
about
gun.
that time when I almost got
I
kidnapped?
won't stand for this injustice.
Yeah, fuck you. This is injustice. 3.
That's a knife.
Ugh.
Bitch.
What? I'm not using a knife. What the fuck?
Actually, I want to get on Injustice.
Oh.
Get away from my planet, buddy.
You're
You
scary.
bozo.
It's over.
Ooh.
It's over.
We killed each other.
I guess we're just equal rivals.
Motherfucker.
Wait, did the fuck?
Oh, he's
away from
face
him.
camping.
I'm fucking. Oh shit!
Stop.
I'm lagging.
Yeah, you're lagging.
I refuse to let you go. I refuse to let you go.
Why can't I heal?
Peekaboo. I see you.
What?
Get away from him!
Bro, fix your internet.
Bro,
What?
how'd you hit me, bro? How did you hit me?
Oh my gosh!
What the hell?
Fix your
Why can't I
internet.
heal?
Gavin,
Hey,
did you
buddy.
see that?
He's already
It's
boarding
the
me.
end,
Oh my
friend.
god.
Oh.
Let me see that pretty face of yours. Oh, baby. I'm
Oh my
done
God.
with you, cum slut.
Who put in a... Unless we go just spawn
Oh, he has
into it.
corrupt. He has corrupt intervention. He actually picked a
Nah.
decent perk.
He had to have he looked up best perks in the game.
He's a nurse. He picked the hardest killer to play in the game. He picked the hardest
He
killer to
did.
play. Oh my god. This is gonna be a bloodbath.
I'm just gonna do this gen in front of him.
Oh.
Wait, is that me? My bad. I was looking at it.
Double blind. Double blind. Double blind. Double blind. Owie.
Why is he teleporting like that?
He doesn't know what he's doing. Leave him alone. Oh, he. Oh!
He actually almost downed me.
I didn't wonder he probably
Got
switched
it,
to
huh?
best killer and also best perk.
Got him.
You guys know it. I have a feeling he's playing like a
I just keep.
I just see you flashlighting him.
He just.
Oh my god.
Well, that was a pretty good first game, I'd say.
Bruh.
Commit!
Come on, Gavin.
Come
on, Gavin. Come on, Gavin.
Nice.
Oh, that bitch missed twice.
What?
He's on Gavin.
On what planet? I'm dead already. Okay, Dead Hard is the best perk ever.
Wait, where's she?
Dead Hard is the best perk ever.
Where are you? Does
It's
she have
'cause
knockout?
she has knockout, yeah.
Shit's so annoying.
Dead Hard is so bad of a perk.
Alright, Gavin, I got BT.
My sprint burst is 30 million times better than Dead Hard.
Wait, you got that outfit? Yo, that should go crazy.
You like it?
I ain't gonna lie.
You
Yeah,
like
I
it?
wanted the frizzy hair too.
She's so fine in it.
I know. She kinda looks like a wet dog, but she kinda looks more fine.
I can heal myself, so.
Uh-oh.
I've.
Run!
Where? Bro, you didn't say from where. You should have said dodge, dodge, dodge.
Get on
Oh,
the
wait.
toilet.
Use it.
I'm not using it.
I have Soul Guard and no Mitre. Watch out! Oh my god!
Oh! Oh! I didn't see her! Oh, we're both gonna take it out of the basement. Wait, I'm unbreakable.
This is gonna be the fastest game ever. Oh yeah? I flip-flop and power struggle. Get Eli now!
Wait, I'm able to get up. Get me! Make it! Take the hit! Take the hit! You're a greedy whore, Victoria! You're a greedy bitch, you know that? You're a greedy little slut! You know what he did, bro? He heals me while he's fully healed, right? He didn't take my hit, he took the window and got me killed.
Oh my god.
Glad we have these 5-star
Where's
fucking
Derek,
bronze 2
dude?
teammates. Where's Derek and Brian when you need them, bro? I'd rather play with Isaac. No, I wanna get him. Yeah, kill
No.
him. Let him kill Victoria, dog.
Exactly. Go.
Bruh, thanks a lot, dog.
I gave you BT.
Nigga, I'll give you this BBZ.
Ow! Ow!
Bro, her thing is so quick.
How on earth, bro? I'm already dead in 3 seconds. And look at these other gens. I already did 3 gens.
Kill her, bro. Kill Victoria.
I got negative dead hard value this game.
Get him up, get him up, get him up.
Run that back, fucking go to my fucking hotel.
How?
Eli just wanted me to die so fucking bad, bro.
How, bro? How? I was 30 feet away from her.
Alright, ready, Houston?
Yeah.
Kill him, kill him.
Go!
How did you miss that?
I hate you.
He looks like a freaking deer, bro. He's gonna go, where do you think you're going? You're not going.
Dragon 360. I mean, not 360.
Why am I oblivious?
I got my flashlight. Bro,
What the fuck?
So,
Eli, I'm gonna do a gen. Can you handle that unhook by yourself? Okay, I'll take that as a no. Oh lord.
he's like a monkey.
How can he turn that hallway? How did he do that? How? Angel, you ready for this?
I did something at home.
Alright, let's go.
Do it! Do it! Bro.
No, run!
You have DS?
No,
Damn
no,
it.
run!
Let's heal, then come back.
And make
Where
heal.
you at, Gavin? Oh my god, our teammate left.
Oh
Where you-
my god, I'm right here, I'm right here, I'm right here. Don't click your flashlight, you idiot.
He's not gonna come to us, he's a face camper. Bro, there's a
Bruh.
thing behind you. Look at this pallet, let's smash his brains in.
Do it.
Come over here, come here.
Duck on the corner. Hold on, just for a little bit
Yep,
longer.
but you have to go since you're on your first hook. Or
No.
you're on your second hook.
Just after I get hit, take a hit for us.
He's gonna down someone with our base.
Loser. You missed. Go Angel, live your life.
No!
Fine,
Gavin!
it's
He's gonna
fine.
You got DS?
Come on, Eli.
You're damn right, it's fine. You're damn right, it's fine. Go. He's on me. He's on me. Oh, no.
Eli, you got this, please.
Wait, he's on Kevin. He's on Kevin. Kevin,
Eli, take a hit for me.
I'm taking a hit. Go.
I'm not looking back. I'm going to the straight
I'm not looking back at it. Go. Look at me getting hung up like a freaking spider monkey.
No!
Oh, take another hit.
I will.
Take another hit.
I will. Don't look back. Oops.
Why did I immediately throw the power?
It wouldn't let me.
Give me! You could unhook me, bro.
Who, me?
Yes!
Look at this! Look at this! Bro, someone come help me!
Look at this cheeseburger slider in front of me, bro.
Someone
Oh god.
Look at he's shaking his head! Give me!
I can't! Take a hit for me! Take a hit for me!
Don't
He's
worry.
gonna tunnel me! Look at him!
He said, look at this
doesn't want
cheeseburger.
He's tunneling me!
Die, I'll die, Eli, just escape.
No, he's mind giving me. I'm dead. It's over. Wait. Dead or no, you. What are you
Eli,
doing?
just leave, just leave, it's fine.
You are so bad.
He'll hook
You
me
are
first.
so-
He'll hook me first and then you can pick
No,
up
he's
Derek.
not. He's cheating to me. You are so bad at the game.
I was
You
trying to-
better have unbreakable. You better have unbreakable.
What would you
been healing me?
What would
You
you
are
do?
so bad at the game.
I was
Oh
trying
my
to
have
god.
help
Unbreakable,
you.
Gavin?
I was trying to help you, bro.
You
Yes,
have
I
Unbreakable.
Yes, I have unbreakable. Jesus.
He's going back.
It's only
Don't
yellow though.
play.
It's gonna take me a second.
You better hurry up and run.
All right.
Run!
Hold on.
Use it, Gavin. Oh my god.
Hold on. It's taking a second.
It's been like 2 minutes.
You guys really think I have unbreakable?
You're bad. I hate you. He's going for me though. You're fucking annoying. Oh my god.
Sorry, bro. I'm rusty. I could. Oh, Derek Colby! Derek Colby!
Oh my god. Hurry up and get him, Derek. You make me want.
Oh my window.
Bro, that doesn't have slug rounds.
Shut up.
Oh my god.
Oh, he's dead.
Oh!
Maybe if you were at 3 speed.
Be good.
What? I got caught in the crossfire. Caught in the crossfire. No, no, no.
Oh
Oh my god. Oh my god. It's like...
Run away.
He's It just slowly crept up on him. And I died.
Somebody's blind.
I've said
Watch out, he
him.
might try to go on.
Isaac, if you get a kill with that, I'll kill myself. Oh my god.
I'll pluck my pubes if you get a kill with that. Oh, you gotta pluck my pubes.
Bro, what is...
She's up top. She's going in. She's going in the OBJ. On your right, on the right. Hard right, hard right, hard right.
Bro! Oh. Oh, jeez, there's a hole right there.
It's all
Oh
up to
my...
you. Oh!
That was the most
Look
insane
at
thing
you.
I've ever done. That was the most insane. Oh my god, I have
Oh.
aimbot!
Bro, locked onto his head.
Oh
real
my
quick.
god. Ew, bro, these people keep cereal in the fridge, what? They're on me!
All of them. Every single one.
Yeah, bitch. Diffuser is right here.
On the staircase, right. Yo. No, not there. Yo.
I saw someone. I hit knock a little bit.
Kobe!
Oh my god, you!
Oh my god.
That was insane. Bro, you would be dead without it.
You're damn right. Thanks for juicing me up, dog. I feel like Genesis. Damn! But did
I saw that. I saw that
Did you see
before my
that?
very eyes. Watch out, Angel! Watch out, Angel!
I'm gonna kill Angel!
Oh my god!
I thought I had impact.
It's not an impact, dumbass, we're attacking.
Bro,
Pick
who's
up my
this?
shield.
Who's this?
Pick it up.
I just become like
My
Captain
God.
America.
I feel fucking bad, bro. I was testing my recoil when she walked right in front of me.
Oh my god, get absolutely.
Why did he ping him? What a dumbass. Dog. Behind you, dumbass.
We have been eliminated.
Bro, what the hell? They're monkeys. None of them were even in the OBK. Damn! What the fuck was... Bro!
Bro, he was fingering his keyboard at supersonic speeds.
Bro, what the hell?
10 seconds.
Come up here with me, Gavin.
Where? Oh.
5 seconds to insertion.
Hey, mister.
Bomb location secure.
You want it to be bigger? I'll make it bigger.
Watch out, they're coming.
Op 4 has located a bomb.
Just give me a death stare. That literally jump scared me.
Look at this person.
And the
The scuba
rebreather.
gear. The scuba gear.
Let me search that up real quick.
Oh! What's that noise?
He's right here.
Let us
Bring him in.
let us step in the trap. Let us step in the trap.
Yeah, let him. Bring him over here. Everyone, come over here. Come over here. Come over here. Look, yeah, let him run at us. Run at us, bitch. Look. Bro, how do you forget?
There's a man
Bro.
chasing me down. He's
Shit.
looking straight at
Hold
my
up, let me take
ass.
a clip of that real quick.
Oh no! Angel, come step in this trap.
Are you gonna give me a spray?
No.
Oh shit, is he here?
Okay. Close.
He lost me.
You lost your
Hello.
right.
Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. Protect me, protect me. Bro, I'm dead. My only chance is I stun him.
Fuck.
Yeah, I'm not in here, bro. I'm not in here, bro. I left, bro. Oh no, he's crazy. He's so horny for the kill.
Fuck you!
Run! Stupid broad. Yes, I squeaked by. Don't go through that door. Oh my gosh, that was so clutch.
Yeah, like you're frozen?
I didn't even take a lick of damage.
Frozen?
できなかった人はちゃんと復習するようにね。